Welcome to the condo on the 14th floor, and it's upgraded a bit. I bought this 2019, so we tried the fingerprint.
Unlocked.
Unlocked, it say, so we can go in. So, locked. This door lock, to start with, it is 5,400 peso for it. And you have 4 tags. You have a key to open if it's not working. And you have fingerprint and a watch. Yeah, welcome inside. Start here. Here is the fuse box. And the living room area is like this, and the kitchen is like this now. It's upgraded. I put in these tiles here back. Next plan is maybe to fix another heater, because this is like in my country, Sweden, you cannot buy it. It's impossible. But here they still put it in the new condo. And this condo is from 2019. I got the key. And here in the roof I bought a LCD with fan that you can change the light in also. And then we come into the living area. Here we have the refrigerator, and it's an inverter, of course, otherwise a lot of extra energy cost. And the TV is 4K 65-inch. And now I also buy new sofa from IKEA. It's a bed sofa. I'm gonna show you how it can be done. Very easy. And here is the sofa I bought. And it's very easy to get it up here. You can do it so easy. See? Oh. Hey, there you have it. Now it's a double bed. Takes only 15 seconds to fix it, and then put some bed sheet and so. IKEA, thank you. And some flower also from IKEA. Of course it's plastic, but still. And then we come to the bedroom area, which is here. And here also I bought a new bed also. The other bed frame was not good, cracked and noisy. This is also from IKEA. IKEA take about 9% extra for the item if you want them to assemble them for you, so you don't have to do anything. They just come in, 2 guys, and it was fixed. Very good. And then I have 2 wardrobe here on the side. And aircon is also inverter, TCL. So you need to have inverter, I think, otherwise you have a problem. And the door, it's open here. In the roof, you see it's also wide open there, because if you close this door, show you here. The door is here. So you close this door, and when you close the door, someone can sleep there. But of course the noise goes through there. But also the aircon, cold air come up here also in the living area. So that's quite good, must say. Some say no, this is a studio. But SM sell it like 1 bedroom. Philippine flag. I don't have anything on the wall otherwise. And then we come out on the balcony. I fixed this little green carpet, and then I have 2 chairs there. But I don't use the balcony really. And then you have here, they're gonna repaint the whole building here. This, my building, Shore 1. On the other side you see Shore 3. And this building, it's been like this now for almost 2 years. And almost no one move in. You see there are some aircons where people live, but the other is not finished yet. And I really have little sea view. If you look there, it is little sea view there in the corner. So I say this condo have a sea view. Yeah, and here is the also inverter, of course, the aggregate. And here is, if you close this, I don't have any aircon working, so that's, if you leave the condo for a long time, it's good. Yeah, and then now I have this box I use, NVIDIA Shield box. It's very good. You can see many channels and sport, and the internet is quite fast here. It's 50 up and 50 down megabit. Now we come to the bathroom, and here mirror, of course. Then it's a Whirlpool wash machine, 6.8 kilo it can handle. Quite okay also, must say. Top, you put it in things in the top, and then you have here, put this in. And we have also here heater for shower. That's also good. Yeah, so this condo, I bought it for 4.4 million peso. And I hope I maybe can sell it for 5 million peso. I don't know. But I'm not sure I want to sell it also, because it's quite nice, must say. Even the view is not the best, but still. Yeah, we're gonna go out and talk a little more and see about how the house is looking and so on. Yes, thank you for watching this inside. Now we're going outside. And here we come to the lobby area here in Shore. And it's quite nice, must say. Big, and the aircon is very nice also. They have guard here in the reception if you need some help. And they also have a mail room if you need that. So let's just go out. Afternoon. And then we're outside now. And then you see Shore 3 here. And Shore 2 is up there. And do you need help here with banking? Then you just around the corner you have the BDO bank here. And a little further down here you have a food store. And they have a bank in ATM inside here. And they have 2 ATM here outside also. And in the end of this building you have the Starbucks. Plus you have another Starbucks just here on the other side. And another BDO bank there also. But now when all these POGO workers have left the building here, all Chinese, there are no Chinese here almost. So it's very quiet now here. I like it. I don't rent out now anymore. So I like that it's less people in the building. Alpha Mart you have here. It's quite good shop. They have a lot of things, even frozen chicken, meat and so on they have. So I can recommend it also. It's fine. Water you buy here, alcohol, drink, snacks, everything. Thank you. Yeah, this is the outside, and you have some restaurant, or many restaurants if you just go around the building. And down here you have Mall of Asia. You can take a walk here, just straight down here, and then you go to the left, and you are in Mall of Asia in about 10 to 12 minutes walk. See, someone have this also, this scooter. Yeah, then we go up to the pool. Now we're coming out on the pool area, and it's on the second floor of the building. And they have 6 pools here in the building. And you see, before they have football goal here, but now they take it off. But it's artificial grass, so if you want to kick little ball or do some activity, you can do it here. Yeah, here is one of the pool. But we go on a little further. And they have a badminton also. You can play badminton here also. Not bad. And the pooling stuff is here. So when you come to the pool, you need to register there your name and your number of unit. And if you're not registered downstairs in the office, you need to do that if you stay a long time here. Otherwise you pay for day pass. It's 250, I think it was, for day Monday to Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday you pay 300 peso to use the pool. And today it is many Filipinos here because it is they're here on this stay vacation, Friday to Sunday often. That's the way people can rent out their condo now, because it's hard to get someone to rent it for a year. And if you find someone, the price is like 20,000 a month or lower even, I've seen. And I buy my condo in first 3 years before 2015 I start paying for the condo. I sign all contract, and I pay about 24,000 a month. And after 3 years it was still could be like 2.3 million, 2.5 million left to pay. And then I took a bank loan home in Sweden to pay it, because it's much cheaper. The interest rent here could be like 10%, but home in Sweden I have like 2.5, 3%. And then I pay it cash. And a year later I got my title to it also. So I should say 2019 I collected my title. And then 2020 March I have to leave the condo because COVID. So I took a flight with Qatar home to Stockholm. Not so easy really, because no taxis or anything, but I got help from a friend. He have a car, so he drive me to airport. Yeah, here you see they have more pools here. This is my favorite pool, this side. This pool is very nice. It's long, you know. If you want to swim here, you swim it's like 50 meters almost all the way. And some condos here, they have pool access. You see, they have a door so they can go directly. This staycation, many want to have this pool access condos. Yeah, this is the other side of the building. They have two big part of this building, and they have toilet and showers down there also, and artificial grass here. But all other thing is real palm and so. Very nice. If you go through Tower C down there, and then you take the elevator to third floor, then you come to the gym. The gym, you see the window here. Some are running there now. I don't know if you can see it, but they have a lot of things inside, equipment if you want to train. It's very good. And the whole building is 19 floor high. But they don't have floor 1 and they don't have floor 13. So in reality it can say it's 17th floor, but in the elevator is 19. And I'm on number 14th floor.